Hello everybody, 'tis I, the Rumpled One. Some assembly required. I got myself one of those solar panel kits from Harbor Freight. J-Null 0, after watching your video the other day about how you hate the electric company, I thought, well, maybe I better get this thing out of the box and get it hooked up, and maybe I can use it to charge up the cell phone and computers and a few other things. So let's just see how much fun we can have with some assembly required. Yeah, the reason I got this one was because I've been wanting to get into solar for a while now, plus got a really good deal on it. It was on sale, and I also had a 20% off coupon. Can't beat that. So, let's see what we got here. We got the instructions. I know these things really aren't too hard. You gotta... Nope. It says initially charged for 3 days, huh? Nope. This shouldn't be too difficult. The instructions and the quick guide. Okay, these must be the solar panels, so let's take out the other part first. Okay. These are the mounting brackets, it looks like. And what do we have in this box? Okay, we've got the lights. That's interesting. They use a 1/4 inch plug like I use on my guitars. Okay. What else do we have in here? These are the lights right there. These look like the battery connectors. You know, styrofoam's not recyclable, at least not here. Okay, this is the charge controller. I've seen one of these before. I think I saw one of these over at my buddy, the Oregon Coast Prepper. Yep, this isn't too difficult. Let's see, we got 12 volt, we got inverter, USB, 3 volt, 6 volt, 2 12 volts. Okay. Not too difficult. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. Does look like solar panel hookups. And the wing nuts. So now that we've looked at all the parts, let's see. Let's actually get to the assembly part. Danger, warning, caution, notice. Oh, let's see. Do not stand or on or otherwise apply pressure to panel. Yeah, I don't think these were made to be stood on. Battery precautions. Okay, installation, mounting. We need to attach all the connectors together. Boy, they really package these things. And these are just PVC. Okay, remember, always cut away from you, never towards. Boys and girls. These things are actually numbered. So, should be able to put it together right the first time. Huh. Interesting. Figure 1. Okay, we got the 2 end pieces here. Got that. We got the 2 stand pieces. Figured that out. This is interesting. You see here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Something's different. I'm not sure about this. See? Okay. Either I'm missing a piece, or they didn't send me the right instructions. So I guess we're going to have to figure this out. Wouldn't that be funny? I got the defective one. Well, we'll try something. Well, that kind of looks right. But I don't know for sure. What do you guys think? I think they changed the design on me. But I think that's what they want. So, I guess these are the solar panel mounting holes. Okay. Attach the corner connectors to side tubes. Well, let's just keep going. Got two different size wing nuts here. I think that's what they want. So we'll do the corners. like so. Then we got one more corner piece here. Actually, I was going to take this to a preparedness fair, but it looks like we're going to have a big storm this weekend, so I don't think we're going to have any sun. Top tubes to leg connectors. Let's see here. And Cat 1 just ran across. I don't know if she got in the film or not. She hasn't been the diva that much. Okay, that one's being stubborn. Now let's see, maybe get the screwdriver out. Love having the 6-way screwdriver. This one's just not wanting to go on right. Well, yeah, those threads are a little on the funky side. Let's see, let's use a different one. We'll come to that one last. Some assembly required, huh? Okay. Now what? Fix, screw. Oh, wait a minute. I think we've got a couple more we have to do here. Huh. Let's move this stuff out the way so it doesn't get crushed. It's funny how these guys put this stuff together. Yeah, this was right under 110 bucks if I remember correctly. That's why I jumped on it. Because of the sale. And the coupon made it so cheap. Let's see. As you know, I didn't read through it beforehand. I like doing this stuff live so you can see all the mistakes and errors that they have. Don't want to do a dry run and then come back and do another one. To me, that's cheating. Okay, so now we got to do something with these. Fixed screw. Where is the parts list? So I know which one is the right one. Fix screws 12. Now, that one's not long enough. So it must need these other ones. Except I do believe these are the solar panel ones. Well, let's try it this way. Nope. These screws don't seem to be long enough. At least not to put the wing nut on it. Maybe you're not supposed to put the wing nut on it. Okay, I guess I'm supposed to trust my solar panels on that. Now comes the fun part. I guess you're supposed to make sure all these are nice and tight now so it doesn't come apart when you put the solar panels on. Okay, here's the solar panels. Okay. There's the solar panel. Interesting. Let's check something. They put washers on the screws, but I guess maybe you put the washer behind the on the nut, not on the screw side. Okay, time to get Mr. Handy Dandy Screw Gun here. Yep, I think that works a little bit better. Surprised they didn't use lock nuts. And of course they don't tell you which way, so you have to figure that out on your own. And I wonder if these could charge up my 20-volt drill. That'd be really nice. I sure hope they all fit in. Guess we'll find that out in a bit. Okay, panel 2. Huh. I wonder if the third panel is going to fit. Any bets? Anybody want to place a bet? Well, so far it looks kind of cool. But we want to make sure it functions. And of course, I picked a nice overcast day to do this, because got to make hay while the sun shines here. And I finished up putting the roof on the shed. In fact, I might be using these solar panels to use for lighting in the shed. Like my good buddy JL0. Well, it looks like it wants to fit. I think it's going to fit, boys and girls. So far, so good. So far, the only thing that was wrong was the diagram that showed 9 pieces when there's actually was only 7. But we got it figured out. It's part of being a prepper. Got to be able to figure things out. I guess that's guy stuff. Guys aren't supposed to read instructions anyway, right? Or is that ask for directions? Or is it both? Well, yeah, of course I got to put the bottom ones on, but let's just move on here. Okay. We take this and we plug in our solar panels. I wonder if the cat's going to play with this if I leave it on the ground. Okay. So we got battery, which I bought. But actually I'm going to use something different. I'm going to use this, which is a 12-volt source. That's going to be my battery. So we're supposed to connect this to the charge controller. See right in the back there? Kind of puny wires. I'd want something a little more beefy. Don't want to restrict the flow of electrons, you know. Okay, so then we plug this pigtail into here, and then this goes to the charge controller. Once again, if it were me, I'd have a little bit bigger, beefier wire. So that's probably going to be an upgrade. Get some heavy-duty marine type wire for DC. It's going to cost a few bucks, but one less thing to worry about. Okay, and we'll take this and connect it to the battery. Like so. Okay, we turn this on. I do believe it's charged. Okay, next. Should be able to plug in the lights. Let's see if it works. It's telling me low voltage. Interesting. Thought I had the battery charged up. So that just plugs in the front like so. Very interesting. Oh, wait a minute. We've got light. But for some strange reason, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is on. And for some strange reason, they put the switch closer to the charge controller. That's crazy. Anyway, I do believe that's it for the install. So, what do you guys think? Wasn't too difficult. Just a couple of errors there. Like I said, I can see a couple of things that I think they should do different, but that's just me. What do you guys think? Anyway, that's it. I'm going to screw the rest of it nice and tight. You guys don't need to see that, so I'm going to prepare. Keep preparing, because if I fail to prepare today, I'm preparing to fail tomorrow.